Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to show you how to get Windows 10-like interface on your Android phone. To get Windows-like interface, first open Play Store. And search for Computer Launcher. Click and install the app. The link to the app is given in the description. After installing, click Open. Type a name for your device and click Done. This has many features like Start menu and File Explorer built in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.